Hi. Wanna go? Oh, someone screamed over there.
People probably see him. Look at him just go.
Do you want food, little guy? We're not allowed
You're
to,
so
but we should
skinny.
totally give him food because he's so cute. Look, they're all coming to us.
They love humans.
Oh, he's coming on the road.
I get you.
Look at him. Let's give him bread. Can we give him bread, guys?
Hey.
You'll have to get in the trunk.
I will.
Little guy. There should be more of you than squirrels.
Oh,
Oh, they're making out.
Oh, what are they going to do?
They're pooping on each other.
They want food.
One's running across the street.